from your worksheet. Everyone, open page number 7 from your worksheet. Hurry up. Everyone, please open page number 7 from worksheet and show me your worksheet. Everyone, please. Question number 6A का B part. 6A का B part. Look at the B part of question number 7. Here I am going to share screen. See this part. What do you think? What would happen to the herbivore? This question. Okay, everyone, open it. Everyone, open it. Yes. Take your pens along with you and worksheet pack. Take your pens and worksheet pack along with you. Before solving this question, I will explain you about that what will happen in this question. Okay. Now, the question is, look at your worksheet pack carefully and also on screen share. The question is, what would happen to the herbivores in a habitat of all the planets were destroyed? Will they produce any effect on the population of carnivores? The question is that, यही question है आप लोगों के वर्कशीट में everyone? Yes, Aisha, यही question है? Same question? Okay. So, what would happen? What do you think? So the question is, what do you think? What would happen to the herbivores in a habitat if all the plants were destroyed? अगर तमाम plants को destroy कर दिया जाए, what effect will have to and with what effect will this have on the population of carnivores? Okay. So we all know very well that herbivores are plant eaters. We all know very well that herbivores are plant eaters and carnivores are meat eaters. Okay, all of you very well know about it. Herbivores are plant eaters and carnivores are meat eaters. If I will remove all the plants, from the world, अगर मैं दुनिया से तमाम प्लांट रिमूव कर दूं, तो मुझे बताइए हर्बीवोर्स कैसे सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे और इसका क्या इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस होगा कार्निवोर्स पे. This is the question which is present on your worksheet. Look at your worksheet again. Look at your worksheet again. What you have written in your worksheet? Look at your worksheet again. The question is, what do you think would happen to the herbivores in a habitat if all the plants were destroyed? What effect will this have on the population of carnivores? Okay, if all the plants were removed, किसी भी habitat से अगर plants को remove कर दिया जाए, तो herbivores के साथ क्या होगा? And if they produce any effect on the carnivores, क्या इससे carnivores पे कोई effect produce होगा? अब आप लोगों से मुझे feedback चाहिए. After feedback, I will tell you the answer. ठीक है? I want feedback one by one. Yes, Shami. Shami. जी शामी.
The herbivores were becoming weak and
the carnivores, what would happen with carnivores?
And carnivores do not eat much meat in their diet.
Very good. Excellent.
टीचर वो लोग उनको भी कम खाने को मिलेगा क्योंकि वो लोग भी वीक होंगे.
Exactly. Maybe they will die. हो सकता है कि जब उन्हें प्लांट्स ही ना मिले, तमाम herbivores को जब carnivores ना मिले या carnivores को herbivores नहीं मिलेंगे, तो maybe they will die. Okay. So write down your answer. I will show you the answer. Everyone, take your pens and note down your answer. Listen. Here is your answer. Before going to the answer, I want to show you one more picture. Look at the picture over here. Look at the picture over here. There is a food chain. Okay, all the organisms depend on each other. Look at the picture carefully. All the organism depends on each other. Plant, horse depends on plant. Okay, bear depends on horses. Okay, and this dog depends on herbivores, and herbivores depends on microorganisms. Okay, if I will remove any of the things, for example, अगर मैं यहाँ से plant remove कर दूँ, तो मुझे बताइए horses अपना food कैसे लेंगे? ठीक है, तो ये एक chain है. This is the food chain. So I can't broke it. अगर मैं इसमें से एक भी पीस को निकाल दूंगी, if I will broke any piece, so they can't survive. They will be die. ठीक है. The other chain is here. I showed you in last class. There the chain: leaf, caterpillar, chameleon, snake, and mongoose. Okay. Caterpillar depends on leaf, and chameleon depends on caterpillar. If I will remove leaf, if I will remove leaf from this chain, so how will caterpillar get their food? Is it possible, Shamil? Yes, Ayan. Is it possible? No. Caterpillar can't get their food. Just like that, if the caterpillar can't get their food, so all the chameleon get their food, because for caterpillar, chameleon, caterpillar is the food. Okay. So without the leaf, we can't continue this chain. So every organism depends on each other. If I will broke any chain, they can't survive. They will be dead. Okay. So come to the answer. Write down your answer, everyone. Look at the screen. If all the herbivores are destroyed in a habitat, अगर तमाम herbivores को destroyed कर दिया जाए, then carnivores will not get food. तो carnivores भी अपना food नहीं ले सकेंगे to eat. As a result, they will die. As a result, they will die. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 6 का part B. Okay. Part B. Write down your answers, everyone. Everyone write down your answers. Okay, class? All of you have written? You are still writing? Yes, who is messaging me? Muzaffar done, and Aisha Elias, you have done. Muzaffar, which type of language you are using in chat box data? This is not allowed over here. Ayan, you have done. Good. Who have done? Kindly send me a done message in chat box. Okay. Zainab Zafar has done. Very good. Shamir, have you done? Fatma Mateen have done. Good. Ali Ahmad have done. Very good. Wafa have done. Excellent. Okay. So I think everyone is done now. Now come to the question number 7. Come to the question number 7. Question number 7. Everyone please keep your cameras open. Okay. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is about complete the given key using the key animals. We will have some key animals over here, and here is the flow chart over here. With the help of these key animals, you will solve all the boxes. Okay, so I'm going to explain you that what will you do. Now look at the question number 7, everyone, and keep your pens along with you. What will you do? Question number 1 is, does the insect have legs? Does the insect have legs? Yes, the insect have legs. Okay. Has it got wings? Does the insect have wings? No. Not all insects have wings. Okay. Now next is, has it got more than 8 legs? कौन सा एनिमल इसमें से ऐसा है जिसकी 8 से ज्यादा legs है? Which animal have more than 8 legs? Yes and no. जिसके पास 8 legs हैं, आप इसमें से वो नाम select करेंगे. You will select any one name from it and you will write the name in yes box. And those animals which do not have more than 8 legs, उस no के option में आप उसका आंसर लिखेंगे. ठीक है. Now I am going to unmute the mic of Aisha Elias. Aisha Elias. Aisha Elias.
Spider have 8 legs.
Not a spider. We have so many animals. We are talking about insects, and a spider is not an insect. Okay, it is an animal. We are talking about insects over here. Yes, which one is have more than 8 legs in their bodies? Yes, Aisha. अच्छा, वफा. वफा. शमीर. वफा. शमीर.
Teacher, mouth.
Not, it's not mouth, it's moths, and this is not the answer. Okay, this is called moths. Yes, Wafa, do you want to ask anything?
Teacher, please tell again.
Okay, I will tell. Yes,
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Butterfly, I think, have wings. Butterfly do not have more than 8 legs. The correct answer is, okay, listen. Snail have shell on their body. They do not have legs. The correct answer is centipede. The correct answer is centipede. Don't you know the centipede have more than 8 legs in their body? The correct answer is centipede. You will write in the yes box. Here, over here. You will write over here.
Teacher, in Urdu, it is called Kankhajurana.
Sorry. Fahad, do you have, if you have any problem, yes, so you can leave. In yes box, you will write centipede.
And in no box, teacher.
Okay. Now come to the box. Now come to the next box, which is no. Those animals which do not which have less than 8 legs. What will come? What will come?
Bomb.
Bomb. Yes. The correct answer is bomb. Wafa, don't worry, beta. I will explain you again. Okay. Bomb. The correct answer is bomb. Okay. Now come to the next question. Is it active at night? Who is active at night? Select any animal from the key animal. Yes, Aisha, can you tell me now? Which animal is active at night?
Spider.
Spider. Very good. Write down your answers. Spider active at night.
Which one, teacher?
Spider.
Teacher, what? Which one? Spider.
Yes, spider active at night. Okay. Now come to the no box. What will come over here? Who is not active at night?
snail,
Who is not
snail,
no, snail will not come because we are talking about shell, so snail will come in shell box.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Very good.
Butterfly.
Yes, butterfly is the correct answer. Butterfly is the correct answer. Butterfly is the correct answer. Beta, try to open your camera. No one is allowed to close your camera. And Fahad, why don't you go, beta? This is your last class. After this class, you can easily be rested. Okay? So don't leave the class. Now, the last is, has it got a shell? Who have shell on their bodies? We have two options.
Snail.
So where we will write snail? In yes box and in
Yes.
no box.
yes,
In yes box, yes. In yes box, we will write snail because snail have shell on their bodies.
And
Okay,
teacher,
everyone. And in no box, what will you write? Only one animal.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Moose.
We will write mouse. Okay. All of you have solved this worksheet. If you have
टीचर वो जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो खुद करेंगे.
तो बेटा वो आप लोग पेंसिल से कट कर दीजिए, वो आप लोगों की वर्कशीट में इंक्लूड नहीं है. दिस इज आउट ऑफ योर कोर्स.
ओके.
पेंसिल से कट कर दीजिए. वी विल नॉट सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन.
पेन से कट कर दें तो
पेंसिल से कट कर दीजिए. ओके. फर्स्ट आई विल गोइंग टू अनम्यूट द माइक ऑफ वफा. यस वफा, ना टेल मी. क्या समझ नहीं आया वफा को?
Teacher, I don't understand.
Which point you didn't get, beta?
Teacher, all points.
All points about this worksheet given to your animals. Okay, now I'm going to tell you again. We have some key animals and here are some keys. Okay, the first question is, does the insect have flags? Does the insect have flags? Yes, they have flags. Yes. And the next is no. जहाँ पर yes क्लिक हुआ है वहाँ पर तमाम क्वेश्चन इंसेक्ट्स के लिए किए जाएंगे और जहाँ पर no क्लिक किया हुआ है वहाँ पर क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट होंगे. यानी कि क्वेश्चन नंबर नो के साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या है? हैज इट गॉट अ शेल. मीन्स यहाँ पर आपके पास विंग्स के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. ओके. सो फ्रॉम कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, हैज इट गॉट विंग्स. मीन्स ये पूछ रहे हैं कि ऑल इंसेक्ट्स हैव विंग्स. नो, ऑल इंसेक्ट डू नॉट हैव विंग्स. तो हमने क्या लिख दिया यहाँ पर? नो लिख दिया. ठीक है. अब इसके बाद उन्होंने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा आपसे? हैज इट गॉट मोर देन एट 8 legs. उसके बाद उन्होंने पूछा एनी इंसेक्ट हैव मोर देन 8 legs. तो हमारे पास कौन सा एनिमल था? सेंटीपिड. सेंटीपिड हैव मोर देन 8 legs. ठीक है. आपने यस के बॉक्स में सेंटीपिड लिख दिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट बॉक्स इज नो. तो विच एनिमल डू नॉट हैव?
टीचर बॉक्स में टिक करना है या फिर लिखना है? यस.
You will write the name of animal. You will write the name of animal in boxes. Okay. And try to do fast better because मुझे next worksheet पे आप लोग explain करनी है. Now next is no. In no box you will write worm because worm have less than 8 legs. Okay. Now next question is about, is it active at night? Which animal active at night? We have two boxes, yes and no. तो आप बताइए जैसे कौन सा एनिमल है जो रात के टाइम एक्टिव होता है? यस वफा, जल्दी जल्दी आंसर दीजिए. वफा.
Moth.
No, moth is not active at night. Moth is just like butterfly. Yes.
Spider.
Spider, yes, a spider active at night. Okay. Now next question box is no. Which animal is not active at night? Hurry up, Wafa.
All.
Yes, Wafa.
All.
All animals. कोई भी रात के टाइम एक्टिव नहीं होता. We have so many animals which is active at night. But the Just look at the key animals. Maybe butterfly, you can write butterfly also, okay, which is not active at night. Now next is, has it got a shell? किसकी बॉडी पे शेल होता है? यस के बॉक्स में आप क्या लिखेंगे? यस पापा.
snail.
Snail. And in no box you will write moth. Okay papa, now you are clear?
Yes.
Okay, hurry up beta. Now
Teacher, can
open.
we leave?
No, you can't leave. Open page number 10. Hurry up. Page number 10. जल्दी से पेज नंबर 10 खोलिए. Everyone. And hurry up. Page number 10. What will you do in page number 10? You can see that here are the picture of few animals. Here are picture of few animals, and all these animals live in different habitats. Okay, all these animals live in different habitats. So आप लोगों को यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. आपने क्या लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? Draw the habitat. ठीक है. Cut and paste the animal in its corresponding habitat. Beta, kindly mute your mic, everyone. Mute your mics, everyone. Everyone, please mute your mics.
टीचर
Again, I am sharing. अच्छा, इस वर्कशीट में आपके पास क्या लिखा हुआ है? आपने क्या करना है, या तो हैबिटेट का ड्रॉ कीजिए, या जो नीचे पिक्चर्स हैं आपके पास, इन पिक्चर्स को आप कट कीजिए. लेकिन मैं आप लोग के आसानी के लिए क्या करवा रही हूँ, मेरी बात जरा गौर से सुनिएगा. आप लोग ये जितने भी आपके पास हैबिटेट दिए हुए हैं, पहले तो मैं आपको वन बाय वन के नाम बता रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आप लोग इनके नाम लिख लीजिए. नंबर 1 पिक्चर कौन सी है? नंबर 1 पिक्चर आपके पास है. Number 1 picture is dolphin. Okay, dolphin. Number 2 picture is lion. ठीक है. Number 2 picture is lion. Number 3 is snake. Number 3 is snake. SNAK. Write down the name of animals if you don't know about the name. अगर आप लोग को नेम नहीं पता तो आप लोग नेम लिख लीजिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज लेपर्ड. नंबर 4 पे आपके पास क्या है? लेपर्ड. LEOPARD, लेपर्ड. नेक्स्ट इज बेयर, पोलर बेयर. नेक्स्ट इज पोलर बेयर. एंड नंबर 6 इज फिश. Papa, if you want to leave, so you can. If you don't have charging in your phone, so you can leave. We'll see the recording on university. Okay. Next is this animal. This animal is called seal. SEAL, seal. Next is monkey. Shamil, you are not writing the name. Next is elephant, camel, and lizard. Okay. There are few animals. अब आप लोगों ने क्या करना है इस वर्कशीट में? आप लोगों ने ये करना है, आपके पास कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं. नंबर 1 ऑप्शंस क्या है? एनिमल, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, एनिमल्स होम. ये जो एनिमल्स होम वाला बॉक्स है, इसको कट कर दें. एनिमल्स होम वाला ऑप्शन कट कर दीजिए सब. हरी अप. एनिमल्स होम वाला बॉक्स कट कर दीजिए. वी विल नॉट सॉल्व दिस बॉक्स. ओके, कट द बॉक्स ऑफ एनिमल्स होम. ओके. Now habitat is here: ocean, desert, forest, arctic. We have different types of habitat over here. आप लोग क्या करेंगे इसमें? इस ओशियन के सामने एनिमल्स के नाम लिखने. वो तमाम एनिमल्स जो ओशियन में मिलते हैं, आप उनके नाम यहाँ लिखेंगे. ठीक है. You will write the name of all animals which are found in ocean. For example, dolphin, shark, fishes, these are all found in ocean. ठीक है, समझ आ गई बात? And in the box of characteristics, what will you write? You will write only one character about ocean. Only one character about ocean. For example, you will write more than half of the world, half of the earth surface covered with ocean. सही है, यू विल राइट ओनली वन कैरेक्टर. अच्छा, मैं आप लोगों को जब ये होमवर्क अपलोड करूंगी यूनिवर्सिटी पर, तो आप लोगों के साथ में एक यूट्यूब ट्यूटोरियल्स यहाँ शेयर करूंगी, जो कि आप लोगों का ट्यूटोरियल था वो मैं यूनिवर्सिटी पर शेयर कर दूंगी. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट ट्यूटोरियल यू विल राइट डाउन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ऑल द हैबिटेट्स. ओके, कम नेक्स्ट इज डेजर्ट. डेजर्ट में कौन कौन एलिमेंट्स मिलते हैं? कैमल है आपके पास, और यहाँ पर स्नेक है. ठीक है, तो ये तमाम क्या है, डेजर्ट में मिलते हैं. And we'll write down the characteristics of desert. Only one character. Now forest. So many animals are found in forest. For example, monkey, elephant, lion, snake also found in forest. Okay. Last is Arctic. In Arctic, polar bear are found. Seal. Seal is also found in Arctic places. Okay. And in the third box, you will write down the characteristics of Arctic places. Okay, so I will share the YouTube tutorial with you in our university. With the help of that tutorial, you will easily solve this worksheet page number. Okay, so I am going to unmute everyone. If you want to ask any question, just unmute yourself. Hurry up. Unmute yourself, everyone.
Papa left. Miss Papa left.
What are you asking, Fahad? Fahad,
Yes.
what are you asking?
Teacher Papa left.
मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, do you want to ask anything, Fahad, about topic?
टीचर बस मुझे ये पूछना है, ये क्विज कब
Sorry, I am unable to hear you, beta. Repeat your question again. Sameer, unmute yourself. Everyone unmute yourself and just ask the questions. Hurry up. Aurelia, Ahmad Afzal. Hurry up. Unmute yourself and ask question, everyone. Parva, Aurelia.
Yes, teacher.
Do you have any query about the topic? So you can easily solve your worksheet.
Teacher, can we leave? My God.
No, we have 6 minutes. Because now I am going to announce one thing more, beta. Tomorrow is your grand quiz from habitats. Okay? आप लोग का एक मैं क्विज लूंगी हैबिटेट्स का. ठीक है?
Yes, how much, ma'am?
Miss.
It's 6:33. Now listen. I will take your grand quiz tomorrow from habitat. जितने भी क्विज अब तक हुए हैं सब क्विज को मर्ज करके आप लोगों को क्विज दिया जाएगा टुमारो. तो आप तमाम चीजें पढ़ के आइएगा हैबिटेट्स के बारे में, टाइप्स ऑफ हैबिटेट, व्हाट इज हैबिटेट, फूड चेन आप लोग एक्सप्लेन किया. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें पढ़ के आएगा. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द क्विज आई विल टेक अ रिव्यू टुमारो. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द क्विज आई विल टेक अ स्मॉल रिव्यू. मैं आप लोगों को छोटा सा रिव्यू दूंगी. आफ्टर टेकिंग रिव्यू आई विल स्टार्ट द क्विज.
Yes.
ओके, यस फहद.
Now we can leave.
Why you want to go? Is there any issue? Okay, all of you. So I will upload homework in university. You can check it from there. So be prepared for quiz tomorrow. Inshallah, I will take your quiz. Allah Hafiz everyone.
Bed